बाईक आणि रेंट कार असोसिएशन डायरेक्टराक मेळ्ळें ते टुरिस्ट रेंट बाईक आणि रेंट कार असोसिएशन डायरेक्टराक मेळ्ळें ते म्हणटा कांय ट्युरिस्ट गोंयांत येता आनी वायलेशन ट्राफीक वायलेशन करताना वता ते गेले उपरांत ऑनलायन फायनी ते ओनरांक येता आनी तांकां फायनी भरच्यो पडटा त्यो म्हटल्यार रेंट बाईक 1,500 आसता
ते लेट मेळटा AI sign
सो कितें तरी उपाय काडचो म्हणटा
I know there is a problem. We are solving that problem. Understood me? I have identified that it is a problem and it causes a problem for everyone. So we are coming out with a solution.
आणि जो स्पीड गव्हर्नन्स म्हणटा ते तो जर कितें तांकां हे मेळत जाल्यार
GPS
तो तेजे खातीर ते म्हणटा गाडयेक प्रॉब्लम जाता आनी कितें जाता म्हणटा ते कारण तेजी स्पीड लिमीट एक आसता इशाचेर लॉक जाता केन्ना केन्ना ते म्हणटा डायरेक्ट स्पीड ड्रॉप जाता तेजे लागून
अरे एक वा दोन असले जाल्यार सगळे जाल्ल्या भशेन ते करता सारकें चलता ते कोणूच उलयना न्हू इट हॅज बिकम एवरीथिंग हॅज बिकम अ प्रॉब्लम इफ यू थिंक दॅट वे देन इट लुक्स लायक देर इज नो सोल्युशन इट इज नॉट द केस एट ऑल एवरीथिंग हॅज अ सोल्युशन व्यवस्थितपणे सगळे सॉल्व जातले आय विल लुक इन टू दीस इश्यूज टुडे इट्सएल्फ आय विल स्पीक टू माय डायरेक्टर
इवन ते म्हणटा ते GPS ट्रॅकर तो बसोवंक लायलो ते GPS ट्रॅकर तेंच्यांनी बसयलो म्हणटा पूण मागीर तो आतां सारको चलना म्हणटा पूण ते आतां एजन्सी कोण आहा पळय ते आतां गोंयांत ना म्हणटा पूण कोणाक रिफर करप काय
पळय पयले ते सांगताले आमी फकत 2 एजन्सी कडेन वच म्हणटा म्हणून मागीर आमी ओपन केलें जाय ते कडेन वसा ते म्हणटा इतले रेटा मेळटा सोय मेळटा आतां घेया सोय आतां ते सोय घेता आनी सांगता हो चलना उमके ना दोशे वाटेन ते कंप्लेन करता दीस शोज दॅट द इंटेन्शन इज नॉट रायट न्ही एक्चुली आतां आमी मिटर घातलेले कोण यूज करता मिटर सांग म्हाका इवन 10% यूज करता नॉट इवन 5% आर युजींग द मिटर हायकोर्टान आदेश दिल्लो म्हूण एक बरी शिस्त उरोवन दी म्हूण घातलेले आतां आमी सांगलां आतां पयर आतां हांव आयकलां तशें ते म्हणटा ना डिजिटली फेर आमकां मेळपा जाय मोबायलार पडपा जाय हे इतले तरी ते म्हणपाक लागले आसा आय एम हॅपी वॉट डज इट मीन द नोटिफायड रेट्स पॉयंट टू पॉयंट उमके चार्ज जातले म्हणल्यार तेजें मिनींग कितें मिनींग सादो इट इज एक्चुअली एप्लिकेशन ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजी टू नो दॅट आनी एप बेस्ड टॅक्सी म्हणल्यार इट इज द सेम थिंग बेजिकली सो दे समहाव दे डोंट लायक द वर्ड एप ओली म्हणून ते म्हणटा आतां डिजिटल प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर हेजेर फेर येयल्यार पुरो म्हणटात ते सारकें पॉयंट टू पॉयंट कस्टमराक कळ्ळ्यार पुरो बिकॉज यू कॅनॉट चेंज दॅट नो वॉट कम्स ऑन द फोन सो दॅट इज अ गुड प्रोपोजिशन इफ यू डोंट वॉन्ट इट टू बी कॉल्ड एप वील नॉट कॉल इट एप ते भाशेन करपाक वी आर इन टॉक्स विथ द ऑफिशर्स माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन हांवें डिस्कस केल्लें आसा वील बी कमिंग आउट विथ
दोन्ही वन एंड द सेम न्हू सर
हां
ॲप आणि ते दोन्ही वन एंड द सेम न्हू
तांकां ते उतर एप म्हणल्यार नाका
Sir, one more.
यू सीन एप मिन्स कितें जाता ते सारकें
So one more, Goa Miles and taxi issues are rising these days. We see every day one new video coming from tourists that the taxi drivers are racing them or Goa Miles. So what steps will be taken by department?
See, the very fact that today they have 5,000 cars, Goa Miles, it shows that it is working. App-based taxi is working. And all these 5,000 drivers are not only driving only tourists, they are driving local people. थोडे कडेन ट्रान्सपोर्टूच आसना एपार गेलो जाणटो सुद्दां कोण आहा जाल्यार ते भुरग्यांक सांगता मातशें टॅक्सी आहा पळय टॅक्सी येता हें तांकां नाका न्ही मागीर कितें करपाचें वी कॅनॉट फोर्स इट डावन द थ्रोट इन सच अ हार्श मॅनर सो वी आर thinking what is the best way out. That's why it is taking a little time.
So, but they are scared about this Goa Miles because a lot of incidents had come in these days.
फाटी एक व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जालो एक टुरिस्टाक चलोन वयचें पडटा खूब
Yeah, that Goa Miles is scared of Go on taxi. That's why they can't pay.
Even to that problem, I had given them a solution. We will do something called geo-fencing. तुम्ही म्हणटात ते ड्रॉप करपाक येता तेन्ना तुमचे भाडे घेवन वयता तशें जावपाक नाका म्हणून जियो फेन्सिंग करपाक जाता बट a customer staying in any hotel should have the freedom go to his phone and if you invite a taxi on app it should be available. This is at every international destination, it is happening in every state, so why should the same thing not be allowed in Goa? म्हाका हेजी समजून येवना आनी तुमकां समजून चड आसपा जाय कितें जाता तें
But government will take any steps.
There should basically be a change of attitude तेंचे तर्फे. They should start thinking positively. आणि आतां टुरिजम फुटफॉल जे इन्क्रीज जावपाचें आसा पत्ते ते आतां सिजन येयला एवरीबडी वील गेट देर ट्रिप्स वाय दे आर सो दीस आय डोंट नो बट इफ दे डू एंड सच विडियोज बिकम वायरल तुमी आतां सांगता तशें it will go reverse gear again.
So, but when the government is coming with a solution, because so many years are going past, right now the government had given the assurance.
If it was such a easy solution, other people would have solved it long back. Other governments would have done it long back. Honorable Chief Minister is on record. We are seized and आम्ही ते एकदाच cover करता. We are in discussion.
But
No?
your MLA is on the record sir, saying कि he's been fed up of the
Clashes.
government is not able to solve such a small issue like a taxi. Michael Lubert in the statement that day.
See, if you look at his statement, please hear the whole video. What he says at the end of it. What he says at the end of the video. The fares should be available on the phone. It should be on a digital platform. Government notified rates, a customer should know. Suppose you travel from Mopa to Margao or Mopa to Kankod, how much it will cost him. That is the same thing what we are proposing. So, उलयला एक त्या व्हिडिओन तूं मुद्दम ऐक and conclusion हें दिता digital platform I am also saying the same thing. So where there is difference? Only पहिले कितें उलयतात ते you know Michael better than me, so I don't want to comment on
But
that.
how this issue will be solved, sir? The clashes between Goa Miles and Goan taxi drivers, how it can be solved?
It is not a question of clash. एक टायमा थोडेशे टुरिस्ट आसतले आतां टुरिस्टांची संख्या वाडला. Goa is the preferred, the goose which lays the golden egg. We all have to be balanced. आमी तेंचेय थोडे आयकपा जाय, तेणी आमचेय थोडे आयकपा जाय. There has to be give and take. Some solution will come. Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant will come with a solution along with us. We are in discussion as I told you.
आणि टॅक्सी लागून गोंयचें नांवूय घाण जाता न्हू भायर गेल्यार गोंयचें नांवूय घाण जाता
तें हांवें तुका सांगपाची गरज आसा. म्हाज्या तोंडान उतरां घालनाका. तुमकां बरी खबर आसा सगळें.
ओके सर आणि कांयच एग्रीकल्चर कॉन्क्लेवाक ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर दिसता.
पळय तेणी म्हाका don't forget this is organized by ASSOCHAM, which is an industrial body. Don't forget that it is organized along with Primus, their partners for this particular. What does it say? That agriculture should be built into an industry by having a good processing unit everywhere. Latampache industrial estate is specifically meant for a food park for processing what is available in Goa. So it is in the fitness of things that agriculture also should be developed with value addition as an industry. That's why they invited me. तुम्ही सगळेच ते दुसरे लेन्स घालून पळयल्या मागीर this one versus that one please करनाका असले.
Sir, exemption on tax for the scrapping old vehicles. Exemption on tax scrapping for the old vehicles.
Yeah.
ताजेर तुमचें कितें सांगपाचें दिसता?
Obviously old vehicles are to be scrapped and government has come out with the recent incentives. We'll see that they are followed and we will see that more EV vehicles come on the road, which is the dream of our Honorable Chief Minister, to see that Goa goes truly green.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.